Hi guys, welcome back to Little Circuits. Today we'll be showing the Snap Circuits Pro function of adjustable resistor. So let's start it. It's very small circuit, so we're not gonna lay the parts out. Get that, and get the variable resistor. It's the RV. If you don't have an RV, you can get an RV too. I don't know how that works on this, but there are actually two additions I added. Actually, only one addition. I changed the motor to the LED. Not the motor, the meter to the LED. You'll understand what you mean by the meter when I go further into this thing. So you're gonna build this in your hand. On your hand, you're gonna build this. Then you're gonna place it on the board. Is that good? You do that. Battery. For sure, you're always gonna get a battery. Okay, so next is the you're gonna get a meter, an M2 meter, and then you're gonna set it to low. Then you're gonna place it. So it's basically a kiddie driving thing. Because when I increase the clarity, I think you can't see it. So, but when you see the meter is deflecting. So yeah, in addition is the dimmable LED. So first you keep any LED. I prefer green LED, the D2, and replacing the R4 with an R1, or with a snap wire, a 3-snap wire. Now when you do it, I think with the red it works better. Yeah, it works way better with the red. See, look, technically you can dim the LED, and you can redo it like that. And you can also switch it off or something by removing that. But yeah, that's it for today, guys. See you next time. That's how to make function of adjustable resistor. Bye.